Today, we will examine how Rigg Cleaner Pro works, the professional product for cleaning all steel on board. Our boats are exposed to contaminants such as sea air, salt water, sand, and ferrous particles, which cause surface oxidation. Rigg Cleaner Pro offers a quick and effective solution. Before use, we recommend rinsing the areas to be treated with plain fresh water. Let's start with product number 1, the deoxidizing product. Wear the protective gloves supplied with the product and take a wipe from the container. We suggest keeping the packaging closed in order to keep the product's characteristics intact over time. Apply Rigg Cleaner Pro evenly to the surface to be treated. Thanks to the wipe's format and the product's acidic formula, cleaning becomes easy even in areas that are difficult to reach with normal products. Large areas can be treated with the use of a single wipe. Each tube contains 100 wipes. With Rigg Cleaner Pro, there is no need to cover the boat deck as is often the case with conventional spray products. The foam that forms indicates the start of the chemical cleaning reaction. For more stubborn areas, you can make circular movements to allow the product to reach all areas. For flat surfaces, simply wipe. On some fiberglass surfaces, you can apply Rigg Cleaner Pro to remove any oxide drippings. Leave the product to work for 2 minutes, or up to 4 to 5 minutes for surfaces that are more oxidized. Now it is time to use the second tube included, the neutralizing product. Take a wipe out of the container and wipe over the newly treated areas. The neutralizing product will interrupt the chemical reaction initiated by the first product, and facilitate the formation of the protective surface film against oxidation. Apply the neutralizing product to all treated surfaces in a single pass. Rigg Cleaner Pro is suitable for all stainless steels on board, on both sailing and motor boats. During the application of the neutralizing product, you can already notice that the treated surfaces are clean and shiny again. When finished, carry out a final rinse with fresh water and a clean cloth. Now, we can see the final result by comparing an area untreated with Rigg Cleaner Pro and another area treated with a single cycle. The result is evident. Comparing the areas before and after treatment, you will notice that oxidation is just a bad memory.
Rigg Cleaner Pro, the professional solution for onboard steels. If you liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more news, and hit the bell symbol to stay updated. Thank you. Visit us on gegrigging.com.